everybody, welcome to Crafting and Crime Daily. I'm your host, Rebecca. No crime this week because I said I'm going to get everything organized, get my business page up. This is me procrastinating, but as I'm going through, my goal is to get this. I have a large table here. Get this cleared off and put into another room to put my business equipment on. I'll be doing sublimation, by the way. If you want me to sponsor an event, let me know. In any case, I'm stalling. I ran across a container of pens. Now, I took them all out because I'm like, oh, what's in here? I'm going to throw all this away. And I started looking, I'm like, oh my God, I've been diamond painting for 6 years. I've had this channel. And when I started looking at the pens that I have and the evolution of the diamond painting pen, I thought, wow, this is something I really need to share. And there's some fun stuff in here. So I wanted to share. If you are recently into diamond painting, I don't know if they exist anywhere, these pens, and I don't know if anybody anywhere makes them, but so much fun. So I had a friend who made these. I'm going to put you down to the table here. I'm actually working on my own artwork here. I do watercolor painting, and this is called Online Dating. It's some of the birds here, but look at this one. It's braided with cord. Isn't that cool? So they've taken just a regular pen and they braided it. I don't know, does this even work? Let's see. Jesus, it's so small. I don't know. Yeah, it don't work. But how fun is that? Yeah. All right. So next thing I want to show you is, I'm trying to do this in some sort of fashion. Look at this little guy. Isn't he adorable? Yes. Another diamond painting pen here. I'm in a section. Wait a minute. I need to move this to a section where I'm actually. Oh, here we got some up here. Here we go. Right here. So yeah, that one still works. I don't want to get rid of them now. Okay, what's next? And I don't remember where I got these, you guys. Look at this one. A Halloween. Let me give you a better angle here. Look at that, Halloween. You can see I'm like cleaning here, all this stuff. So adorable. Oh, this one came from Star, or this was a wood. It's a very lightweight wood. Is she still around, Star, or that company? Anyway, yeah, this had a multi-placer on it. My goodness. I can't believe how much pens have changed. So, oh my gosh, look at this one, you guys. Yes. If you want to multi-place, because multi-placing became a thing, this does 2 at one time. Wow, that was impressive. So, you had to get this at one point in time. This is fun. Then there's the clay pen. People were going with clay. Some of these came from way back, Crafts with Crashley. This one's more recent. This you can get from Tia's Crazy Craft Addiction. She still does clay pens. This, I believe, was a Crafts with Crashley clay pen way back in the day. So, ooh, I got a big old placer on that one. Wow. I think this might be another Tia pen, but clay pens were like all the rage. Yeah. I didn't order a lot of them because my dog, if they accidentally fell on the floor, my dog liked to chew on them. It was a great chew toy, unfortunately. Then how can we forget this one here? Look, you guys. Yeah, it's a diamond painting pen with the diamond. They still might sell in some places. I don't know. I don't have any wax in that one. Wow. Oh gosh, look at this one, you guys. It's actually a diamond painting pen, but it looks like a paintbrush. Look at that. Oh, hold on. Let me pick up a drill here. Look. How fun. It still works. They all still work. Yeah. so much fun. Then, oh gosh, people would convert regular ink pens, fountain pens, into diamond painting pens. Again, no wax, but there's a diamond painting tip on that. You couldn't multi-place with this. I don't remember where I got this either. Oh, what does it say? Oh, this was this was from where I worked, and I had somebody because it says Via Christi on here. Somebody turned it into a diamond painting pen for me. Same with this one here. Same thing. See, it says Via Christi. So somebody was converting these for me into diamond painting pens. These are actually really, really nice pens. And actually, oh, why don't I use these? That's very comfortable. I'll keep those aside. I like those. Then we started getting into fancier stuff. This one goes way back. This was my Harry Potter wand, you guys. This, God, I don't even know where this came from. I don't know what that is, but it's a Harry Potter wand. I don't know if you can see that. That someone turned into a diamond painting pen. So fun. You know, you could just zap people. Abracadabra. I don't know what they say on Harry Potter, but you know, yeah, whatever. So then we started getting into, oh, before we go there, I got another one. Wood pens. This one was custom for me. You can see how it's worn over time. The sublimation that was put on is kind of peeling off, but it actually has my name. I don't know what this was a picture of, to be honest with you. I think that might be a cat there. They might be cats. There's a little butterfly. But yeah, this was a gift to me. It's so cute, isn't it? That goes way back. Let me see if there's anything else that goes way, way back. So then the pens started just, you could get these acrylic pens. I don't think these are resin. I think they're acrylic. So you could get those. Those started coming out, and you could still purchase these in some places. And if you guys know where you can get these, let me know. Or put that in the comments if people are interested and they're still available somewhere. But wow, I would be super impressed. Here's some more that are kind of, just, we're starting to get into resin now, where people are putting things into the resin. I don't know if you can see that. There are actually snowmen in this one. And like I say, I don't recall where I get all these. This one had stars. Look how the AB effect, the Aurora Borealis effect of those stars. This one, the first Ticket to Ride, which I was the original organizer of Ticket to Ride, was this. This pen was auctioned and actually sold for a lot of money. And then it was gifted back to me. But yeah, this kind of, you can see the quality is not what you get today. This is obviously something made that was dropped into some resin, and it's kind of off kilter there. But yeah, people paid a huge amount of money for some of these pens during the auction. Then I found this one. I don't know where this one came from, but over time it has kind of yellowed. But this is getting into the pen turning now. And the pen turning now is so advanced that this is not smooth or shiny. It's probably got, I think Tim will probably say CA glue on it. And yeah, so that's kind of a few years back on that one. Then we're getting more recent. Oh, let me just show you this one too. This one was an older one. And I don't know what was in there, just like some little crystals. Really cute. Do you believe I have all these pens? And I never considered myself a pen collector, but yeah, here's another one that I got. I'm really going back in time, you guys. Now, this is an older one. This was just a basic acrylic that's probably 4 or 5 years old. Same with this one here. I want to say these were probably turned by, oh gosh, what was her name? I don't even know if she's still out there. I can see her face. A Southern girl. Oh, what was her name? You guys probably know her, and I can't think of it. Geez, I don't remember. But yeah, so this one, I waited in line for this one. I waited and waited and waited. There was only one pen turning company out there, and you had to put your name in on the list. And it was, my name was probably 200 names down. You would wait, long periods of time. And you didn't even really know what you were going to get when your name came up. You just had to kind of choose from what was there. Crazy, huh? Then we have Enabler's Outpost. Now, I prefer a thinner pen now, but I believe this is Enabler's Outpost. It's a hybrid. It's got some wood in there. Look how beautiful. This is way more recent. This is actually going back a couple of years on this one. And same with this one. This is one of my favorites. I apologize. I don't know where this came from, but you can see that over time, some of it kind of yellows inside. I don't know why that is, but this one has flowers in it. Isn't that cool? Yeah. So that is kind of just like a little short fun video to give you guys a history of or the evolution of the diamond painting pen. And before I forget, I do want to show you, we're all the way up to now where you can get these pens turned by Tim from Leopard Leatherworks and several of the other people out there that are just amazing. I mean, just crazy amazing compared to this. This is where we've come from. We've come from this to this, you guys. The multiplacer has come from this to this. Yes, this was one that they would put a scented thing on. This is a few years old, also hybrid. Look how pretty that one is. What's my most recent one? Okay, this one. Look at this one. This is how far we've come from multi-placing here to multi-placing with my Barbie pen. And honestly, I'm not a prolific pen collector. This is just stuff that I've accumulated over 6 years. Several of them were gifts or events pens that I gathered. Then I actually, I don't know, even remember where I got this, but this is what I stored them in. So I would just put them in the pockets here. They didn't all fit. I mean, I don't know who made this, but you would just put them in the pockets there, and you would roll it up. Now, this might still be out there. This was sold by, I want to say, Treasure Studios was selling these for a while. I don't know if anybody else sells them. If you sew, this is a great idea to do for your pens if you want to store them. So let me know what you think of this video in the comments. Hold on. There you go. Don't forget to join the Great Escape, my most recent event with Leopard Leatherworks. We're only in week 2. It's not too late to join. The canvas that you would need is anywhere you would like to escape to. That is winter or Christmas. And you only need 40 by 40 to paint. It doesn't have to be a new start. Come join us. I'll put a link down in the description. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.